These tissues are not only fun and adorable, they're really soft. They come in 16 packs of these little mini packs, so you can kind of see how thick they are. They're perfect. They fit in your purse. So I think you get 960 sheets in total on something like this. If you can see the pattern up close, it's cute. It's like little fruit patterns, and it's 3-ply paper, so you can actually see the 3-ply, which is always a lot better and softer for your face. I'd like to thank the Velucchi company for sending this to me, for reviewing. I really appreciate it. This is a fun one because I always like to keep tissues in my pocket. It's always good to have some tissues on hand. You don't want to get caught off guard. And plus, they're just really, really, really soft on the face. Plus, they're thick enough and heavy enough that I would feel good at using them to clean something up, possibly. Like, they have that thickness to them, yet they're still super soft. So like, these are great for traveling.